Good evening, guys. This is Dee for you all. We're discussing iron buildup in the brain. Okay, here we go. Researchers at the University of Kentucky have found that incorporating specific nutrients into a regular diet may help reduce iron buildup in the brain, which is linked to cognitive decline in aging. The study focused on non-heme iron, a type of iron that does not bind with storage proteins and can contribute to oxidative stress when present in excess. This oxidative stress may affect neural integrity and cognition, potentially increasing the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's disease. The research suggests that diets rich in antioxidant vitamins, iron, chelating nutrients, and polyunsaturated fatty acids may help lower brain iron levels and support cognitive function. Specifically, dietary patterns such as the Mediterranean or DASH diet. Okay, hold on. I'll get the second page. This one down. Okay, which emphasize nutrient-dense foods could play a role in protecting against cognitive decline. Despite growing evidence linking iron overload to negative cognitive outcomes, there are currently no established methods for reducing brain iron accumulation in older adults. However, this study builds on previous findings that suggest dietary choices may be a promising avenue for maintaining brain health as we age. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between reactive oxygen and spaces. It's ROS, also known as free radicals, and the body's ability to neutralize them. With antioxidants, the brain is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress due to its high oxygen consumption. Hold on, folks. These apart. Rich composition and limited antioxidant defenses. Here's how oxidative stress impacts brain health. Neural damage access. ROS can damage neurons by attacking lipids, proteins, and DNA, leading to cell dysfunction and death. Neurodegenerative diseases. Oxidative stress is linked to conditions like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis, as it accelerates neural loss and inflammation. Mitochondrial dysfunction. The brain relies on mitochondria for energy, but oxidative stress can impair mitochondrial function, reducing energy production and contributing to cognitive decline. Okay. Hold on, guys. Gotta get my notes up here. Okay, cognitive decline. Studies suggest that oxidative stress plays a role in memory loss, impaired learning, and overall cognitive deterioration, particularly in aging populations. Fortunately, antioxidants found in foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens can help counteract oxidative stress and support brain health. Would you like recommendations on antioxidant rich foods? Okay, then you go down. Several lifestyle factors can contribute to increased oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage and potential health issues. Here are some key ones, key contributors. Poor diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can increase inflammation and free radical production while reducing antioxidant availability. Okay. Give me 1 second. Switch paper. All right, guys. Okay, smoking cigarette. Smoke contains toxins that trigger excessive free radical production, damaging the lungs and weakening immune function. Excessive alcohol consumption. The liver produces free radicals when metabolizing alcohol, leading to inflammation and long-term liver damage. Okay, pollution and toxins. Exposure to air pollution, pesticides and industrial chemicals can increase oxidative stress, raising the risk of respiratory and cardiovascular disease. Chronic stress. Long-term stress elevates cortisol levels, which disrupt cellular function and worsen oxidative damage. Lack of physical activity. Sedentary lifestyle can reduce the body's ability to combat Okay. Oxidative stress. While moderate exercise helps regulate free radical production, sleep deprivation, poor sleep quality, or insufficient sleep can impair the body's ability to repair oxidative damage and maintain cellular health. Okay. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress by neutralizing reactive oxygen species or ROS, also known as free radicals, that can damage cells, proteins, and DNA. Here's how they help. Neutralizing free radicals. Antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols donate electrons to free radicals, stabilizing them and preventing cellular damage, supporting enzymic defense. The body produces enzymic antioxidants like superoxides, dismultifuse, or SOD, cattails is called cats, and let's see what else. Glutathione, peroxides, or GPX, which help break down harmful ROS, reducing inflammation. Oxidative stress triggers inflammation, which can contribute to chronic disease. Antioxidants help lower inflammation markers, protecting against conditions like cardiovascular disease and neurodegenerative disorders, protecting brain health and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Antioxidants help preserve neural integrity and slow cognitive decline. Okay, enhancing cellular repair. Some antioxidants, like melatonin, boost the activity of antioxidant enzymes, amplifying the body's ability to combat oxidative stress. Okay. Next page. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. Would you like recommendations on antioxidant-rich foods to incorporate into your diet? Okay, so that is D for you. I might jump back on later. For now, Gator Wellness, take care, folks. Be back on. Maybe later I'll jump back on and do an E for you, a presentation E. When I figure out what that is, I will jump back on.